Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable swipe to type on any Android keyboard. So, if you have the Gboard or the Google keyboard, all you need to do as an example is go to your settings. If you go to your settings, from there, you can go and look for language and inputs, right? So language and input normally, in the inputs. You can go and click on that. And here you can simply go and click on your on-screen keyboard. For me, as you can see, I have it on separated keyboard, mouse, and trackpad. I can go and click on that. Then I can go and click on keyboard shortcut if I want to see anything for that. And I can use also on-screen keyboard, as you can see. Or if I don't want to use it, I can go and disable that. Of course, for you, you might have this on-screen keyboard like settings. You can go and click on it and you'll find the Gboard. That's as I said, if you're using the Google keyboard, which is Gboard. Or you can just go and search for Gboard in your settings in the search bar if you didn't find that. Once you do so, just go and type it. If you're using that, of course, if you're using the Gboard. So if you're using the Gboard and you click on that, you can go then and click on Glide Typing. Once you click on Glide Typing, you will have to go and enable the Glide Typing, which is input a word by sliding through the letters. And also as an example, it could be gesture delete or gesture control or cursor control. If desired, you can go and enable those as well. So let me just go here and access something. Let me just go and access Roblox right here, the chat. So now as an example, I'm just going to slide. So I'm just going to type hello, as you can see. How are you doing? As you can see, I'm just sliding. I'm not typing how or no. I'm just sliding and it's working, as you can see. So that's if you're using the Google keyboard or the Gboard. And of course, like the other options that you enable, which is the gesture delete, which is delete words by sliding left from the delete key. So those some things if you want to enable or disable. If you have the Samsung or Samsung keyboard, you can go again to your settings. And from the settings as an example, you can basically go and look for Samsung keyboard settings again. So I don't have Samsung, but for you, once you go and look for Samsung keyboard settings, you can just go and tap swipe, touch, and feedback, and click on the keyboard swipe control, then select swipe to type. And that's it. You can now swipe on the Samsung keyboard. The same basically will be kind of for Microsoft keyboard. You can just go and open the SwiftKey app from your app drawer, click on typing, and you will find swipe inputs. Make sure to choose the flow to enable the swipe typing, and you should be good to go. For other keyboards, you might find something like glide typing, gesture typing, swipe inputs. Just go and enable that on the settings wherever you have it on your settings. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.